We're starting with a definition of a custom error class, API error, which extends from the native JavaScript error class. Our API error includes a status property for HTTP status codes. This will be helpful for signaling specific types of errors in our API, such as a 404 for a resource that is not found. To use it, you simply throw a new API error with the desired status and a message. Next, we define a centralized error handler middleware. This function will take care of any errors thrown in our API routes. If the error is an instance of API error, the middleware will send the appropriate status code and error message in the response. If it's a different type of error, we'll fall back to a status code of 500, which denotes an internal server error, and provide a generic error message. This ensures that we don't expose any sensitive error details. Now let's move on to an example API route using NextJS. Within an asynchronous handler function, we wrap our logic in a try block. If any errors occur, like a missing id query parameter, we throw an API error with the appropriate status code and message. If our route executes successfully, we would send the data back with a status code of 200. However, if any error is thrown, we catch it and pass it to our error handler function. This maintains clean and consistent API responses for consumers of our API. Remember to include the API error class and the error handler function in the same file or import them if they're defined elsewhere. By centralizing error handling, you make it easier to manage and maintain error responses, ensuring that they are consistent across different API routes. This helps in debugging and improves the development experience while also providing clear feedback to the client making the API requests.